In our previous lesson, we learned this part line, polyline, circle, arc, rectangle, all this. And in this lesson, we'll learn these six: how to move, copy, stretch, rotate, mirror, and scale. These six. Okay. So for the first one, let's draw one circle here. Okay. Now how to move? To move this, first of all, you have to select this object, then move, and now it is asking for the specified base point. So you can hold the center as a base point and you can move. So now this green line is coming. Green line is coming at 90-degree interval, you can say, because this is selected here. This is selected 90-degree, 180-degree, 270, 360-degree. If you select here, so it will show at 45-degree angle also, because it is at selected 45-degree. Okay, let's select 90-degree or anywhere place. So just click here. Also uh, you can copy here. So for this you need to select this item, copy, then this reference point, it is asking for the reference point. Here it is showing center. So if you want to take reference from other points also, you have to select from here. The center is selected, that's why it is showing. Suppose this quadrant. Now let's see this reference point, suppose with this reference. So you can copy. To copy this, to copy this at any direction, suppose here, just click here, click here. So as many numbers as you want, so you can copy and press enter. Okay, so we have covered this move, copy. Now how to stretch? To stretch, suppose we are drawing one rectangle, one line also. This line, press enter, and here one reference line, press enter. Suppose you want to stretch this object, so you can select, or before that you can click here, stretch. Now select objects. It is asking to select your objects. So select here, press enter. Now it is asking for the base point. So base point you have to specify. So here, at anywhere, here, suppose here, or with respect to this line. With respect to this line, you want to stretch this object. So let's say here. So click here and release your left key button of your mouse, and you can stretch this side or this side or at any other location. Also you can specify the angles also. As you can see, angle is also showing, so you can stretch like this and click here. Okay, now suppose you want to next item is rotate. So before that, let's draw one polygonal, and it is asking number of sides, suppose 5. Pentagon. Okay, So if you want to rotate this, so click rotate and now select object. So click now select this object and press enter, and now it will ask for the base point. So base point, suppose this is the base point, so click here and you can see you can rotate this direction, you can rotate. Okay, click, or you can rotate this also. Select object, press enter, select this object and you can rotate. Okay, now mirror image. Here, how to create mirror image? Let's draw one reference point here, press enter. Okay, let's delete this one, erase, delete this one. Okay, so many objects. Okay, now suppose I want to create I want to create a mirror image of this object. So create here mirror, then select object, click here, press enter. Okay, now it is asking for the first point of mirror line, suppose here, and now we can say this is the mirror image. Erase source object. If you click yes, then this source object will be deleted. If you know, then source object and this mirror image both will appear. So this is the mirror image. Now the scale. So how does it work? Scale is used to resize any object, for to reduce the size or to extend the size of any object. Suppose here click scale and now select object here. Now press enter. Okay, now as you can see, this is the specify base point. Suppose this is the base point I am specifying. Now wherever you will move this cursor, you can see this specify scale factor. Scale factor, if it is 1, then this is the original size. If it is smaller than 1, as you can see, the size is reducing. If this value is scale factor is greater than 1, then the size is increased with reference to this base point only, with reference to this base point. Suppose, yeah, suppose this is 0.6. Put the value here and now enter. You see, this is reduced. Now again, let's scale, click here, press enter, and here let's define the base point here. Or it's better to, if we want to specify this base point uh, taking into account the center of the line, center of the circle, then click here. Okay, so now this is center. So if we select this base point, now you can see this is 1. If we say, suppose 1.7, press enter. Now the size is increased. So this is the function of this scale. So in this video we have learned how to move, copy, stretch, rotate, mirror and scale.